Ano daw? In English ka, what's your problem?
What's your problem daw?
Football, I like
What?
football. My girlfriend is
Pakinggan mo, May. Sinasabi.
Flight attendant.
What?
RCTL.
Ha?
Ay, ano pala?
RCTL.
Ano yung RCTL?
This is company cruise ship, Mall Asia.
Oh, yung pala yung girlfriend niya. Ano masasabi mo, Mi?
What?
This is my
Sabi niya may girlfriend na siyang taga ano?
I don't care.
Taga MOA.
Care daw.
Go on.
Go on daw, di. Go on.
This is, for the working in Academy. Maritime Academy.
Ah, may parod yan.
Mi!
What?
Ano ba? May sinasabi si Rudy. May girlfriend na daw siya.
This is for my girlfriend.
I don't understand his English.
This is my girlfriend. This
Oh, okay. You go on. I have also my new boyfriend.
Oh.
So,
for working.
why video pa? No.
Ano sabi mo, di? Yung girlfriend mo taga?
For applying for your RCTL. All Asia.
What?
Wow, taga dun daw yung girlfriend niya sa MOA.
I see. Okay.
Oo.
I can-
Eh, yung boyfriend mo, Mi?
Taga saan?
Oh.
Nandyan lang, sa kabila.
My new boyfriend is here. My neighbor only.
This is my working for my girlfriend.
Ah, dun daw nag-work yung girlfriend niya.
I can manage.
This is maintenance. I like for
May.
your visit.
Ano yun?
This possible as maintenance is very hungry.
Hungry daw siya, May.
Hungry daw siya, Mi. Hungry daw.
Siya.
Hungry o angry? De!
Both. Both ikaw.
Nag-walk out na si Rudy, Me.
Ah, okay. No problem. I can manage. Ah,